Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC product test, and today we're adding a new bit of kit, a new bit of tech to our tool bag for the Essential RC YouTube channel and Facebook group. We're adding the GoPro Hero 6 Black, which came out late last year. This is a phenomenal small camera that we're going to be able to use throughout the whole of next season. So let me just share the spec with you. It can capture 4K at 60 frames a second. I mean, I'm just amazed that something this small can capture at that resolution and that frame rate. The Panasonic AG-UX180 production camera we're using here to shoot this, and many of the projects we've done over the last 18 months, captures at 4K 60 frames per second. So for this to be able to do that is quite amazing. Also can capture at 2.7K and 1440 at 120 frames a second, and down to 1080 HD at 240 frames a second. So that's going to make for some amazing slow-mo if we want to use that. The photos at 12 megapixel, and you can even use take photos at 12 megapixel resolution at 30 frames per second burst. It's waterproof down to 10 meters. It's got really fantastic optical image stabilization, a big improvement over the Hero 5 apparently. It's got voice control, a touch display on the back and touch zoom. And it sports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for offloading video and images that you capture super quickly. And it's got really good low light capability as well. Add to that you can go onto the GoPro site and buy some brilliant accessories for mounting and even for wearing the GoPro 6. You can wear it on your head, or you could wear it on your chest if you're out snowboarding or similar. It looks like a really fantastic camera. So I'm going to unbox it now, going to charge it up, and let's take it out and see what we can capture with this new Hero 6 Black.
Ready? Let's do it. Let's mow down some toddlers.
You don't want that on footage.
Yeah, we do. You get much more fun. Here we go. Oh! Right, Hobes. Here we go.
Again? Yes. Did that work?
Give up the first time.
No, I'll just push it.
A bit slow. Ready? Okay, now turn it. Alright, ready?
You pushed me that way. You ready?
Yes. Away, away, away! Away!
Ready?
Yeah.